Hey guys, what's up? This is Asil Tempera and welcome back to another video. Today I will be telling you how to maintain your motorcycle or car or any other vehicle in this lockdown period. So let's begin the video. The biggest concern with tires is flat spotting, which is when the weight of the vehicle sitting on one spot flattens out the rubber on that spot of the tire. Left unused brake rotors can begin to develop rust on the surface of the rotors. Also, if the parking brake is engaged for a long time, there is a chance that the brake rubber will bind with the rotors, which will cause the tires to lock. Time your vehicle's battery can discharge, and that can require you to jumpstart the battery. This can happen mostly when the vehicle is not turned on for a very long time and if the battery is weak. Long-term storage, pests and rats can cause serious trouble to the vehicle. They can chew the wires or damage other essential components of the vehicle, which can stop the vehicle from starting up or performing well. If your vehicle is parked outside, it's likely to accumulate dust, bird droppings and other contaminants which can damage the paint of your vehicle. Fluids are a major issue for long-term storage. Fuel can separate and water vapor can accumulate the gas tank. Also, hose and gaskets that are not lubricated can become hard and brittle. So to avoid all these problems, I'll give you a few tips which you ensure that you do at least once a week to avoid any issues with your vehicle. Well, it is really important that you are parking the vehicle in an appropriate place. So if you don't have a shed or a garage available to park your vehicle, you can buy a motorcycle cover, or if not, you can just put a bed sheet over it. So how that helps is it keeps the vehicle protected from the sunlight, bird droppings and other things. Also, in case of motorcycles which have double stand, ensure that you park it on the double stand, so that also avoid flat spotting of tires. Try to start it with the kick and not the battery in case a kickstarter is available as well, because in my case there's no double stand as well as no kickstart, so that depends on your vehicle. And now in terms of cars and other fuel injected motorcycles, what we have to do is wait for the fuel to inject, and once it's done, ensure that all the extra electronics of the vehicles are completely turned off, and then press the clutch in and start the vehicle, because pressing the clutch pedal inside helps the engine to start with ease, thus reducing the pressure on the starter and the battery. Make sure you don't immediately rev the engine, because the oils have to get lubed inside the engine and all the other parts. So let the vehicle be at idle for 4 to 5 minutes, and also ensure that you don't keep the vehicle on for too long, or else the radiator will start causing the battery to lose power. So start with pressing and depressing all the levers and pedals in case of cars, so that ensures that the levers, that is the gear lever as well, is functioning smoothly and there's no jamming in it. Put and release some pressure on the suspensions as well. And meanwhile you can just switch between the gears at all the positions, that is from first to sixth and downwards, so even that will help the gearbox in a better way. Try to ride or drive the vehicle in and around your private area, maintaining law and order, and of course the lockdown. So once all of these things are done, just turn off your vehicle and park it safely, just like instructed. That's it guys, so these are the things you can do to maintain your vehicle during the lockdown. And also guys, there's this simple idea that the vehicles are designed to be driven and ridden around and not parked in a place for a long time. Thus doing these things itself helps the motorcycle or the car to remain in its best condition. So well, that's it for today. If you like this video, please hit the like button, share this video and subscribe to my channel for more. Thank you.